Hello, today we're going to open this egg. But how do you open it? I don't know. I think we put off this.
Maybe you should take off his hands.
No, you're supposed to take this thing off.
You can't take that off without taking off the hands.
I mean, can you open this with
Okay.
the cooker?
Okay, wait. So, we found the spot where you could open it.
Yes.
There's some.
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate.
What?
Yeah, take out his arms.
Take out his arm. I could still see his face. I could still see his face.
Oh, yeah, his face is still there. Oh, Irsana. What's that? Karen, let's look at Irsana. Let's look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. The cow.
Oh!
Oh!
I got a car.
What? That's such a cool
I
car.
think these are Play-Doh.
Yeah, they are.
Cool.
These are Play-Doh.
These are the eyes you stick on.
And candies. Oh my god, you got candies.
Oh my god.
Gummy bears. Or jelly bears.
Shapes.
And shapes for the Play-Doh, right?
Karen, we wanted gummy candy. Here's
Wow,
candy.
and such a big lollipop.
Look at this.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, it's like a play sheet, I guess, right?
Thank you.
And this. Oh, these are stickers. You can stick them onto the egg.
And this is your toy, Karen.
Yeah.
I mean,
And look, you got a toy car.
everybody stop touching.
Okay, sorry.
I thought this was going to go.
Yeah, let me see your cow, son.
I want to open.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Did you open these too?
Yeah, wait 1 second. Look, this was the Milka Kinder surprise. Or not the Kinder, Milka surprise, I guess.
And
Let's show the
chocolate
sticker.
inside.
Yeah, it looked like this. And she got this character.
You got a lollipop?
Oh my god,
This is the
so
best
cute.
surprise.
Let me see the...
Karen, you got some
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
Can you take it out from the package?
Where you will put it when you're done playing?
I think it's a magnifying
Maybe you can
glass.
put it inside here.
Or in this box when your son is
Oh,
done
it's so
eating.
cute. Is it? It's a magnifying glass?
Yes.
Oh my god, it is.
You
Look.
see, he's holding it.
So you look through his eyes like a magnifying glass.
I want to
Wow,
build.
that's so cool, Irsana. And Karen, you can stick the face onto the... Yeah. He's like Mr. Potato Head from Toy Story.
Yeah.
You can take his feet and stuff.
How do you take it off?
Yeah, that's Play-Doh.
How do you take it off?
Irsana, can you help him? So cute. It looks like he got like molds for the Play-Doh. And I thought he would only get one Play-Doh, but he got two. So a green and a red. And he got the car
Yeah.
Such
I
a nice
wanted the car.
and a very big lollipop
I wanted this car so much.
and jelly bears. Actually, I thought they would come like cheap candy in this egg, but these are quite cool stuff. And look, the eyes
What's
are on.
this?
What's this? Ah, it's just like an activity sheet. You can color them and you can play games. Look.
I mean, I think this is strawberry.
Yeah.
This is puzzle.
Yeah, maybe. Is it going well?
And
Oh my god, his face is on. So cute.
how do you put the arms back on?
Yeah, you just push them back on. Here's the second one. Here you go.
Ours
Put there. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Irsana, can you help him? Such a cool guy. Look, the egg is also the toy. Oh, you can put money in it. Look, here. There's a hole so you can save your money in this egg.
I can't put this on.
Okay, I'll help. So we put the arm on. So cute. Can you show us everything you got in the egg?
Yeah. I got these and this and this and this and also this
Yeah. And you got some stickers as well.
and also this giant egg.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
How much do you give it out of 10 stars?
After 10 stars. What 10 stars?
How much do you rate it? Is it 5 out of 10, 10 out of 10?
How much it costs?
No. How much do you like it?
I like it 100.
100?
And I like it 100 billion.
Okay, he likes it 100 billion. And Irsana, how much do you rate yours?
10 because it's really cute.
10 out of 10 or 10 out of 100?
100 out of 100.
100 out of 100, okay. And look
No,
at the chocolate.
I love mine. I love mine. No, I love mine 900.
900? Okay, 900 out of 100. Wow. Open the Play-Doh.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is not going to be perfect.
You did it the wrong side. You should do it this side.
Ja, kolla, är det?
Yeah.
I
What
say
did you
that
make?
I made a dinosaur.
Oh my god, such a cool dinosaur. And Irsan, what did you make?
I made a gummy bear.
Such a cute gummy bear.
Oh, that's right.
What are you making now?
I'm making number block 1.
What?
Number block 1.
Ah, number block. Yes, Kim's dinosaur.
Ja.
You already eat up the jelly beans. Oh, jelly bears. Wow. We're fast.
Thanks for watching our videos. Comment and subscribe and comment down below if you like our video.
Yeah.
Or give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Don't forget to
comment down below.
like and subscribe. Bye.